In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple viewports and circle viewports in AutoCAD. We will work right inside a layout so you can present different views of the same model on a single sheet with clean, consistent scales. Think of paper space as your printable sheet and model space as your design area. Viewports are windows in that sheet that look into the model. Start by switching to a paper space layout such as Layout 1 or Layout 2. Using the Layout tab at the bottom of your screen. With the layout active, type MVIEW or just MV and press Enter. Your cursor becomes ready to draw viewports. Click once to set the first corner of a rectangle, then click again to set the opposite corner. That rectangle instantly becomes a viewport into model space. Repeat this as many times as you need to create multiple, separate views on the same sheet. To adjust what each viewport shows, double-click inside a viewport to activate model space within that window. Now you can pan and zoom to frame the exact area you want to display. When you are happy with the view, double-click outside the viewport to return to paper space. Move on to the next viewport and do the same. This lets you place, for example, a plan view, a detail, and an elevation all on one layout. To set precise scales, click once on the edge of a viewport to select it. Then open the Properties palette. In the Standard Scale field, choose the scale you need, such as 1/100 or 150 am. Setting scale from Properties ensures the view is accurate for plotting and matches your drawing standards. Now, let's create a circular or custom-shaped viewport. Still in the Layout tab, use the Circle command to draw a circle exactly where you want that window to appear on the sheet. Once the circle is placed, type MVIEW or MV and press Enter. At the command line, type O for Object and press Enter. Click the circle you drew, and AutoCAD instantly converts that shape into a viewport. Double-click inside the circle to activate model space. Then pan and zoom until the content sits perfectly within the circular frame. When finished, double-click back in paper space. That's it. Thanks for watching.